Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can make boomerang on Instagram. Before guiding you the steps, you need to subscribe my channel so that I can get support on my channel, and you need to hit the notification so that you can get notified about the new videos on my channel. So without any further delay, jump into it. So you need to swipe from left to the right to get access to this story, and then you can see over here the boomerang option. Tap on it, and then you need to tap on the flash over the top middle once you open it, and then you need to long press on the camera icon, and then your boomerang will be created. So you can view over here that the boomerang has already been created. You can just adjust this boomerang video as per your preferences and add any music or sticker on here. So this was it guys. If you found this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you have any queries related to any problem, then feel free to comment on the comment section below. And thank you for watching the full video. So thank you.